Alright, now some more home options in the National Capital Region. Sari Group recently announced another phase of development in Gurgaon. The group, that Sari Homes, is promoted by Duet, grabs attention because it's one of the rare developers to be funded internally by foreign direct investment, FDI. The funding ensures that its projects are basically completed in time and are not interrupted because of lack of funds. Target, Sari Group's always very clearly said, is middle income group in India.
South Asian Real Estate Group, better known as the SAR Group, is looking to develop an additional 40 million square feet of real estate over the next 5 years. The group, which has a base in India through its 8 projects, is adding phase 4 to its existing Gurgaon project called Green Park 2, targeting the mid-segment hiring. SAR Group's USP, their promise of delivery on time to the customer to ensure they get noticed in an industry marred by execution delays. SAR is currently developing middle-income group residential projects in Gurgaon, Ghaziabad, Navi Mumbai, Chennai, Amritsar and Indore, representing around 36.5 million square feet. The company, which is promoted by UK-based Duet Group, plans to launch more projects in Navi Mumbai and in the growth corridors of large cities in India.
We have with us the Executive Director of Sari Group, who has just announced announcement of 2 new projects in the region of the NCR. Let's find out what is the major USP of this company and what are the future expansion plans of the company. So what are your plans for future in India?
Sari Homes is a company that has been going for about 4 years. We've seen tremendous growth in that period. We doubled our volume in the first year, but we've been growing in excess of 50% a year thereafter. At this point in time, we've got 8 projects operating with 36 million square feet of developable area.
So with investment in 8 projects around India, you're now looking at investing in 2 new projects. And what is the pricing going to be like looking at the market situation?
We want to invest in considerably more projects, in terms of wanting to do another 40 million square feet in the next 3 to 5 years.
What is the kind of investment in terms of monetary value that we are looking at from the Sari Group in the coming years?
Well, the corpus that we've raised is about $350 million. We've invested about 60% of that to date. Going forward, we will be investing the remainder of our corpus, and also we're generating a lot of cash flow from our existing investors, so we'll be able to reinvest that money as well. But going from a size of 36 million to 40 million gives you an idea that we're doubling in size in terms of the investment that we've made.
So you're a private equity fund company and a developer. So what kind of a business model that you are following for India?
The business model is essentially that we have raised private equity money from institutional investors from around the world. Those investors are highly seasoned real estate investors, and some of them participate on our management boards as well, and therefore ensure that we operate to the highest levels of corporate governance. So rather than being a private equity only model, we're a fully integrated business which executes the projects, sells the projects, and make sure that the facilities management is done in a professional way post handover of those projects to businesses.
Thank you for talking to NDTV.
Thank you very much.
That was David Walker talking to us, NDTV, and telling us the future plans of Sari Group in India. In New Delhi, with camera person Jagdish, Aditi Gupta for NDTV Profit.
Alright, in our Expert Speak segment next, it's all about home finance. And today, what do you do when your home finance company offers new customers better rates and makes you cough up more?